A lot of guys, when they're cutting gaskets by hand, they'll use like X-Acto knives or little hobby knives or things like that. But the first thing that I do a little bit differently is I actually use a scalpel, because the blades are extremely cheap. I got a variety pack on eBay for I think like $15 about 5 years ago, and I'm not even halfway through it yet. They make them in lots of different sizes depending on what you're doing. Like this is a number 4 right here with a bigger blade. This is a number 3, which is what I'll be using today. These are a couple of my favorites for gasket cutting right here. I got a number 15 and a number 11. The way that these work is they just clip into a little slot right here and then gently push down on it. So I'm cutting some cork today, but this works on all sorts of different materials. It'll work on rubber, even thick ones like this. It'll work on paper. I need the slightly more precision one for this bit. And the way that you get these off is you just press up on the base to get them to pop out. And that's how I make really clean gaskets by hand. Thanks for watching.